else get a birdie on? Oh, that's Montgomery got his birdie. He's on that one. Birdie's on it too.
Whoa! I said I was still sitting here. Tell him to move. No. I was still sitting here.
Careful, you're pulling the couch.
Melissa? Oh.
Your brain out and replace it with a cabbage.
Can you stay here? I'm going to introduce. Yeah, this is the Garvin home video. About a Graham Jeans farm. Okay.
Oh,
Say
Brandon,
something.
come on.
You come up here. No, say something. Okay, now you.
Something.
You go up
I'm not going to say anything.
and you say something.
She gets you guys.
No, she's getting you. She's trying to get a picture of you.
She's
On your
got
face.
See,
Look at
she's
her.
got a picture.
She wants more.
Okay, let's do an interview.
We're not going to do any of
Yes, we are.
Go ahead.
You asked
And what is your name, lady?
Melissa,
And where do you live?
New Jersey.
Oh, and what are you doing here?
I don't know. I'm on vacation.
And how old are you?
I'll be, well, I'm 12, but I'll be 13 on the 20th,
20th of
August.
August. Oh, and what have you been doing this summer?
Visiting family and friends.
Oh, I've been having a good time?
Yeah,
Good. What'd you do today?
we went golfing.
And,
I drove the golf cart.
well, good. Did you run into anything?
No.
And do you have a driver's license?
No.
Oh, I see.
Lifeline.
Okay, and is there someone else I should interview?
Yes. Who wants to interview you?
Boat ramp.
Just go, Brandon.
Just turn around. Point to her. Tell her what you're
Hello.
looking at out here.
What is your name?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Gervin.
And where do you live?
New Jersey.
Oh, what are you doing out here?
Nothing.
Oh, great.
Now she's going to interview you.
What grade are you in?
Fifth.
Fifth grade?